Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos pop using this effect on CapCut PC. So you're going to get this like green screen phone, or you can kind of record yourself. Well, you can record your phone with some other device and make sure there's a green screen so it's easier. So just open up a picture of a green screen. That's literally it. And you're just going to also record yourself, Then on the phone, you're going to go to remove background, go to chroma key and select the green bit here. I've done that already, but you're just going to grab this and you're going to select the green screen. You can adjust the intensity here, as you can see. Then on your video, I'm just going to kind of rotate it a little bit. And I'm also just going to, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so it kind of pops out of the screen. You'll see later what I mean. Like that, and then you're just going to copy and paste that and then bring it on top, remove background, and then select auto removal. And once you're done, you're going to go to mask and you're going to mask the parts you don't want. So I'm just going to focus on the head part here and I'm just going to mask the rest. And it should look something like this. Okay, I think I need to make it a little bit smaller actually. So let me just do that. Let's do like this. Hopefully it doesn't go out. Okay, let me try this again. Then let's add a mask. Just trying to do it as close as I can. And that's it. Okay, there's still like some imperfections here and there, like here. Which you can edit, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!